single leg rear deadlift, or single leg RDL, single leg Roman deadlift, whatever you want to call it. So for this, we're going to use some equipment. I've got here some weights that you can use just as good, 2 water bottles or 1 water bottle, as long as you've got a little bit of weight to try and make the movement a little bit harder. Okay, so we're going to take the weights or the water bottles in the hand. You're going to plant one foot in the center of your core. You're going to have a little bit in the knee. From here, we're going to hinge at the hips. We're going to extend the leg behind, out, and we're going to come down as far as we can. Again, hinging at the hips and pivoting back up. So you want to keep your back here nice and straight, the core engaged. I'll do it from the side one more time. So a little bit in the knee, hinging from the hips. So we're going to come down, bringing that back leg out, keeping that back nice and straight, and we're going to extend again. So you're going to do first one side, and then we're going to switch legs, and we'll do it on the other side.